Hello guys, thank you so much for coming back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, thank you for coming back. I hope you stay for this video and other videos. I hope I am able to entertain you guys and gain your precious subscription, like and a few comments too. Without any further ado, let me jump right into the story. This story is quite funny. It is about the time my brother mistakenly ate my sleeping pills, and he basically had to go to the hospital, and it was a huge deal. And I'll just tell you the story. So this happened over 6 or 8 months ago. I was having really bad anxiety and I couldn't sleep at night at all. I would basically not be able to sleep the whole night. I would stay up trying to go to sleep, but I couldn't. I would basically go to sleep in the daytime and then wake at night, and then it was all kinds of messed up. So I went to the doctor. He gave me sleeping pills for a few days just until I got my schedule back on track, and I figured out other ways to sort out my anxiety. On our way home, we stopped at the pharmacy. I got my med and my brother got his medicine, and we came home. When we came home, my brother went to pack his bags and get ready for he was traveling the next day with my father, and I went about doing my stuff. Ironically, that night I fell asleep perfectly. I didn't take the medicine, I didn't take anything. I fell asleep at the perfect time. It was a nice sleep and whatever. But the next day I woke up, I saw my brother and my father off, and then later on in the day I was searching for my medicine and I could not find it. So I called up my brother. I asked him if he had taken my medicine by mistake, and he said, of course not. Why would I take your sleeping pills, right? I was like, yeah, why would you take my sleeping pills? So I thought, you know what, it might be here somewhere, and I am not able to find it because I'm not a good finder. That makes sense. When you tell someone to search for something and they can't find it ever, I am that person. This part is kind of funny. My brother came back and he was really sleepy. I was like, why are you so sleepy? Are you really that tired from the trip? He was like, I don't know, I just want to sleep. He went on the bed. As soon as he laid his head on the pillow, he was knocked out. I was like, wait, did you eat my sleeping pills? He was like, are you crazy? I know my medicine. I ate my allergy medicine. I don't know why, but I'm sleepy, but it doesn't mean that I ate your sleeping pills. So I was really suspicious of my brother's behavior. Like, you're all sleepy and you're saying you didn't eat my sleeping pills. Yeah, that's suspicious. So I went and checked my brother's bag, and I couldn't stop laughing for the next 10 minutes. That guy, my brother, had eaten my sleeping pills. He mistakenly ate my sleeping pills instead of his medicine. I don't know how he messed that up, but yeah, I couldn't stop laughing for like 10 minutes. The next day he woke up, he refused to believe that it was my medicine. I had to pull my prescription out and stuff. The next day he woke up, he was still weird, he was still sleepy and delusional. The effects of the medicine had not worn off. Next day, still the same. Next day, still the same. 4 or 5 days later, the effects of my sleeping pill were still very strong on him. He was delusional, he was weird, he was like, he wasn't in the moment. So he went to the doctor. The doctor was like, why did you take the sleeping pills? Is everything okay? What's up? Tell me. My brother was like, no, it was my sister's medicine. I took it by mistake. He had to take a week's worth of medicine just so the effects of my sleeping pill could be like suppressed or something. I don't know how my brother messed up my sleeping pill, which is allergy medicine, but somehow he did, and basically it gave me a great story to tell you guys. Yeah, thank you guys for watching. Please make sure to like this video, leave a comment below, and subscribe. Oh, that's like actually. Basically like this video, subscribe, and leave a comment below. I would love to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching. Really appreciate it. Okay, thanks. Bye.